fit any assassin din and your friend saying mechanic. Zana prophet kumichacha my sister me YouTube no baby am hwe bi am change afro and maba too much GH. Shit na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.
See, idea social media so ayete. Too much GH when it goes to I will show you. More filler aba and sese also want to be. Midi edana ama usa yamura and semno emu. Nani yani beef ya amani hu so na the latest beef I would say a jatua tua aye did ya just taria uchi ahunchi ase ebisuro bakusuro sana nyomnete en bakusuro ne bi ewo mu ho eye funny face the beef for one so no na unu say na say tem no funny face release videos are walk kasa calling on Lilwin any calibers be able to the best man the joke say one bra on board no more make fefe because why ready pa who say one more your drink say one more they we giant same cramp no they ato nchen say one can be no protecting ma our woman do buy imagine so one nine some year and unti undercover underground no one that start 8 to 2 na say one more rain na say just one more back by it in a serious way why not just say what na say enyo din e master ade na one more yen enkuni fi wiase man ma e me nda ka say ade one man who so now come back prepared and unti wa there almost say so almost say one me me master na almost tie a won nam e ka no won sem e say no dia one ka fefe na mo ka fefe a ho no wo bete say na wo mo bon na ne friend ka so Van Dam e go over you no be over wo ma say Ghana ha one here umbetu efia because wo mo sempa wa package go CDs a wo bo pe a say Ghana ha say kran agrada betimi atete ye so ha no sopa draw sopa nti e be ya wo mo cafe so wo nsuro wo ye mema wo mo cafe na ensem nia o release na wey ena be say 2 days me a funny face e release video yi say meme ya wo bo mu din calibers Lilwin any best man the joke so wo be out abeka F pompo no yentibie e de ka F pompo ni nka say oh attempt maybe na no slip here F no yentibie say all over social media po be post picture po aye wo normal business adane dan na kom yen kan po yentibi and no na Zach GH our former Lilwin manager na no adabi one ni nya beef serious said prophet Najogeze come she be pa ya o catch say Lilwin manager na o ye no na what the padlock locking the voice in the musical career yes we ni Lilwin yi you ni person Lilwin you ma what to a new voice Lilwin she ni ma se na voice in ka na so okonya prophecy say your voice na o de to nyum no ye the padlock lock and nothing na want me nkoso and nothing na onhu nyama so eni so no na ase akoye bibi e o ase de ye nsem to za GH so one to try to wo defend no home by going to prophet Najogeze D.estroy so come with a year and conscience and church but kotane ye cry into something else police issues ka ebepiem ni ye chi no sa beef no etiko die na akwa say apologies be eba we chire enu nti beef no or forget ye kakra but Zach GH e release nyum no lyrics e wo mu no otimuti say do say nsem no wo say o de achemum na so na still na fire be e wo ho a te say otimu say nyum no somehow no o shady the former manager no Lilwin no na or shady ne kakra na no eno to go die ya funny face na say ti ma page mu so te say the former beef on Lilwin sha say efa Ghana Movie Awards in summer Lilwin ko page mu e was Zion Felix show so a ko page mu ka say funny face award da wonya ye and oni kwam fantastic obenya sa award no eno ano so koda ya funny face asa page mu say nkofo no aka bomatia no enu to I ready say obe over wo mu by say wo mu ka fefe keke no wo mu ka fe ne pe a obe over wo enu na ma Jack GH asa kai ni dede mu aka ade bi e call so na babo ma ye de ya pa went me and defend wo no ne tuma abebo funny face dey ano say the enemy of my enemy is my friend enu nti wa kire say se mo se mo ye mema wo Lilwin unya me ukasa dendende na nam ha na wo ye dede te se wo da fa so fufu kra so e dey come in maso egu me maso Ghana se me na mentimi amboa na ene de we miti wo mita do waka se obetimi anya wo no wonu no betimi enya wo e si akafe 2 days ne wuntimi enkasa wo ye bema kan ye ntie say ena Zach GH wo de ne nsem no atudwa
Men are men more, be more, men yes, that's what man now. Make say over you. Some is so see, ya put me at Jano. We share no some accent. But mama, bro, guy over you. Slave quick go keshisha. Oh yeah, filling station no also drugs. Opposites lost Jarrow, cow watch a drug. Some passing the Emma, Obidiaba. Sell out niggas all over.
See, what you said, and you know, Equa, what me said, this song, I prepare to order that I was here, me and I'm soon so, and I will share me, will boom me jeans on the Numia, and then I see the way share those swa acid. Now, no son of a bed, over put a jam on a one of them, and no can't a yet. Funny face, name ran near or jinsu or saying, or to say, old friend is a man vibes, no any caswa van dam, see go over you into over and nothing at the crown will be a noir, a few a funny face, Calibos, Bismarck the joke, about out a cafe. Nah, ye heard the echo, said they one of them, they two about, nah, they three a bear still woman cafe, dear. Near him say, a slow away be more afa. Cause it's some very reacting now, even who send and talk on the back of the 8 week. I say, oh, one chain, the echo so much dream and the echo so my baby, yet me, the real face of the beef. But yet, it's a funny face, air accusically was said, or monocrampono, or money chance car, emanating girlfriend, crampo, a dada. And it's one kind not made in the bonnet on a chair, on fan and one engine. And he had tried so make a fefe. Now say Ghana high away. Say Uncle for Peja beef from one. You are almost so sorry. Say beef near Peja reaction shut down by no more so sorry. Ebe Jagum. Send a beef in the beef. Na a be any another comedian or Ghana has and ding at the jazz center. No, dear. And go for beef here, I want to be back out in Becca Fin. Oh, no, to go and I walk a jet a goom. Wo bobo eja wase na yenko tie Jacinta so edia wo de etu dwa no.
It's not fun. Which way to go fight?
They always love for this country. There is a beef in the land, my brother. They say call me beef. Funny face has decided to break the record. They beef 3 people at a time. They are 5 times. Oh boy. See, and for tell funny face say me no fight, so me no quarrel. But that guy he gets coconut head. You know the year word. So now I just want to tell and say he has twins. He should leave 3 plates. Me no beef 3 people at once. I just want to appeal with him say me beef 1 person 1 week. We have time. It's not as if we are doing anything and we busy. We are free. 1 person 1 week so that we digest the information.
Confess, what soldier is this?
Every for who said that also editing some ever to Jano to say also your opportunity ewo in some able by our funny face and funnel and they also advertising on also the comedian tactics no ewo so the no also say funny face comfort no be fin and they are there who ya pass baby film now so one ya butre no be fin one after the other comfort no for 1 week obi there 1 week 1 week oh now they will easy wait here another week no will easy wait there now cause will be film me and sana boma one here not to say Ghana for ya get it over 8 in term to say ya get it over 8 wasn't and nyama ba no Ghana had the idea ba 1 week 2 weeks no near DHS after that no near take call and until be ya want chim 1 week so bit me a check na aka Ghana for ye tree now another person saw a tray weight behind funny face beefy or no Nkansah down for the chocho mucho Adebayo no no there nensem or the betu jano be commenti funny face ni videos now all releasing bino I say I am right behind you with the guns bro and also Eddie our church we say and also time that for the den this the air cost to be a general chitare onye bibia so all going all out so be reveal almost secret so ultimate gather them ebe can thing padia and all out so within the chi war one anyway say sika famo said bibio betima ye bia abwa eye ni nua brother from another man that no wo beje na ama eye bi free akowie ye ntutum said funny face no or supporters pa Zach GH Jacinta ena Adebayo nti say ade beef no anu ayede ye training ye hwe say ye Lilwin any calibers ebiem so Bismarck the joke wo mbepie abeka F ana afi ne ehu de beba ewe etire na ansana no menkinka Ghana for bi adwentro mo wo fa beef ya elodi ewo funny face afano enchire mo we efia candy or say this beefing thing, the Ghana is becoming sweeter and sweeter. The girls are doing their own the rappers are also doing their own. Now the comedians are also acting up in the beefing. Ghana the beef with the whoop. So also Edna drink share abba. Way so if Effie Anita also dear say it is so much disrespectful for people that you believe to be your friends and to be with you on in everything, to go behind you to do evil. Well, me, I don't really see this as a beef. I see it as coming out to speak against your enemy, because that is how friends are these days. Also, when they say we are a funny face and somebody better John do when they say a deeper than beef, common beef, a cost so social media, so say for the promote your mo and for the trending and for the geo no when they say a emotional something a idea ya say for our form send na for that one make boom wuchi a say edidi wase aye nyama na afi de wo ba be hu na tete oya wo le fi mo ba cramp no eye ya nte ya pass funny face aba outer wo be ka o manim e wo de o maye e wo ne chi e hu we so efi free that was him. Lilwin is such a wicked soul. Everybody that comes in contact with him leaves with bad notes about him. If not funny face crowd pokras, look at the other chats that he has met with the likes of Zach GH and other guys that they have come in relations with him. He's always the wicked one. It's time that we snub this guy. He's so greedy. Also, when they say Lilwin pa and a problem, will funny face abrabom because obi bia wabeba Lilwin akwemo din bedin shiemu ewo adwuma fa anase bibie mu kwa no obete ebevie krampo no na Lilwin edin pone kofododo na wo maba nu wo maba na akwemu nia na so bafa no yonko nia no wo mo fall out of friendship obi aka say Lilwin ni timodin Lilwin ebie mu so no oyeni brefo eni te betima ye no kware pant Lilwin and the wafa funny face to cheer wa gather enough for aboma womo ekutia ntia ye pass funny face so aba out ebe defend no home na ebusia for Ghana ha akwese ye ba ye celebrities no a yonko fam enye easy wo mu emomo so wo mo fo mo yonko no enye easy mo because wo be fo bi yonko ewie amwo the same industry anka ese ka mo mbo amho na ka obi anko kan no dabi na akwese backbite na simu greediness simu jealousy apiemu. Most of the beefs no sha say na nkofo no mo beef ni kwa mo ye na fofo ye he chatawale ene sako dey say from start no mo ye na fofo wo na tibom ebo nyom all of a sudden and a beef sha say e wo muntem ye hu the likes of Ekia GMB ene Efasha Stega wo mo so no mo ye na fofo ye hu Efasha Stega we ya biem any delay wo mo so sha say no mo ye na fofo Miss Bell ene Efasha Stega biem so wo mo sha say no mo ye tight friends abi bia o mefa bia o mo ka bom at so mo nante Lilwin so any funny face no mo ka pa funny face any baseball the joke wo mo ka kra ka we chicken cramp wo mo po na main characters wo mo wo sa series no enti wo hu ana obehu na baku a fall out no akoda ni enemy na ensembone edkabom na baseball the joke cramp no a short tempo no so no oba into the limelight kwa na Yvonne Nelson and na one nampa all of a sudden no so fall out with Yvonne Nelson tutu say sa beef we no thing of celebrities no entem so mo form ho yonko no eno na ebia da no ba fa ente be ya o mu njai sa so he na wo industry no o ever yonko wo na later on oni be ba ohunim se ope wasem na no so o straight o pila na o de tese o de na bi o de na no so yusu abi o de na be wi ache na mo backbite na say like mo ka mo ho sembo na be ya mo nya mo mutem friends krampo fa now fa regular person as a friend because ehun nya say because of the same industry mo wanti mo be friendship and so me fa enough fa e wo mu e be ya wo bia enhwe ne on ne djuma wo ba wo ye no on fa no entry ni so na on focus on so na enhwe ne busiafo anase ne na wo fo wo de dada no that say o de no ba be bata enough for e wo industry because akwa say wo bia e pre ono akasa ne de e wo industry no emu e busiafo aha na me ba kwan ama me de djumedie no esi na me bi sa so won so adwen ben e na wo fa e funny face beef here wasa ekenye mu atese enkofa ba na chi support no emu de woka bi afatu dwa e wotuma GH your comment section na share video we so subscribe se won subscribe ya makramo.